Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful black crystal chandelier, and I'm going to be showing you what installation looks like. So before I show you that process, I want to run through the pieces that come with this, and then we'll jump into installation. So you do get information on the remote because this does come with a really handy remote. Then you've got just your standard installation instructions. You get the hardware that you need and even some replacement pieces like these little crystals here. And then you get these beautiful vine-like black and crystal accent pieces. And then in the box, you've got a really large ceiling canopy. And inside of that is the dimmable LED driver. And then you have the beautiful 3 different size rings. So this is going to be absolutely stunning. Now let me show you what the installation process looks like.
Now we did have to modify the bracket just a little bit so that it would work with our existing junction box. But aside from that, everything was standard.
All right, so here it is after getting it installed, and it is absolutely stunning. I adore this light fixture so much. It adds such a modern but elegant touch to this space, and I love this over my dining room table. The little crystal detailing that hangs in the middle really dresses this up a lot, and it does add to the lighting effect as well, because the light is going to reflect off of those and bounce around a little bit more than just as it would in the circle. Truly, this is an incredible product. It was easy to get up. There's so many different functions here and it looks amazing. So if you guys were looking for a wonderful chandelier that's both modern and elegant, this is a perfect choice. I would definitely give this a try.